Vice President of Nigeria, His Excellency Professor Yemi Osinbajo in Benue State, the man we have been waiting for, the man Nigeria is waiting for.
Yes.
A loyal servant of the people of Nigeria.
We've had a very robust engagement with the delegates today, and we talked about a wide range of issues: the economy, security, healthcare, education, and technology. It's been very engaging, and I think that all of us are very satisfied with the engagement and with the promises, not just for now, but for the future. I think what took place in Anambra with the killing of the woman and her 4 children it demeans us all. It is such a callous act, so brutal, and it's demeaning. It diminishes us all as a people. And I believe that we must be very careful with these types of killings that are going on, especially where it is obviously to create such horror and to create such annoyance that it could actually create a situation where we begin to have ethnic conflicts again and all that. And I think that we must all be careful to condemn it in the strongest possible terms. There's no excuse for this whatsoever, and I think it's a tragedy of immense proportions. We mustn't allow a situation where we get to this point where we even countenance individuals who can do this sort of thing. How does that make any sense? How does anyone kill a woman and her children? How does anyone even do that? I think it's just such a terrible tragedy. It should be condemnable in every way. And I believe the president has already spoken about it. And I just join my voice with others who are just completely outraged by this. Absolutely. It's just too bad.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.